What if you have a very picky client who wants lilac and also has 3 different colors, and even worse, she is my wife? Keep watching. So here is her natural base. Here we have highlights and lowlights. Here at the ends we only have highlights. And this is highlights over highlights over highlights many times. So this is the color I want to get, maybe with some contouring effect here at the front to make a blonder effect. So what we're going to do is to do balayage with bleach and with mid lights with the color I will show you after, and low lights also to reproduce the dimension here at the ends to bring this kind of contrast, which is very, very nice. For this job I will use Blooming Premium Bleach plus Developer 30 volumes and Cool-Additive, Precious Nature 7.21 and Developer 20 volumes, and Precious Nature 6 and Developer 10 volumes. A spoon of bleach is enough normally for any job, and also I like to use the Cool-Additive to avoid any brassy colors. Preparing the color, keep in mind that you don't want to get dark, so with a quarter of tube of each color is more than enough. I split the head in 2 parts and I start my first section starting from the occipital bone to the bottom of the ear. Once you're working with the hair, avoid touching the areas that are already bleached, because that can ruin the hair. Work with the corner of the brush, trying to be very, very precise on the roots, because this is the area you want to work with. You want to work over this area and not to touch the area that is already blonde. Remember to be very gentle with the brush to avoid any demarcation. Cling film to cover to spread the heat evenly all over the hair. And start working with your next section. On the next section, we're working with color. So we can choose whether it is the 7.21 or the 6. We have to alternate and switch from one to the other. And we work with the spatula to have a very hard surface to work on. I recommend to use an in-between color to switch between the highlights and the lowlights to get a more natural feel. For this section, we're going to work with color again. So if we worked before with the 6, we have to switch to the 7.21, or the opposite. Here, we start working on diamond sections, and we have to emphasize in the front to have the contouring effect. So that means that we are going to work on the front only with bleach, and the back we keep doing switching between color and bleach. For the contouring, we start working on wider strips because we want to have a lighter area at the front, surrounding all the face. Keep in mind that we are working on already bleached hair that we don't want to damage, so we have to be very precise. On the back, we keep working the same fashion as we did before. As we can see here on the top of the head, we can actually see the diamond sections, and this is because we don't want to have any pattern built between the colors and the bleach. So this will give you a more natural feel, and also remember to cover everything all the time with the cling film. On the top front, I like to have a lighter areas because I think it will be nicer and more interesting color and lightening effect for the face. Keep working all the way around till the very end. It doesn't matter if it's color or bleach. Check all the time the bleach, and the plastic allows you to do so. And when it's finished, just remove the plastics on the shampoo bowl. I recommend to use Blondie Premium Shampoo for cool blondes, which is very good to balance the color. It's purple and helps you to avoid any brassy effect. For the lilac, I like to use the Vivis from Pravana, The color pink is very good because it's not so strong, it's very elegant and classy. Apply the color all over the head and leave for 20 minutes. Et voila! After working with the curling iron, we use a large comb to release all the curls and transform them into beach waves. I finalize the styling using my fingers and I spray a little bit of hairspray to finalize the hairstyle. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our social media and see you next time. Please leave your comments below. We need all your support.